final walkthrough. It's Tuesday. Everything's out of here. All the soaps are removed. Everything's removed. Toilet's been wiped off. Soap's pared down. Mirror cleaned. In here, mirrors have been cleaned. Everything's put back nice and neat. All right, mirrors are clean. Television dusted. Everything in place. TV remote's over there in the cubby. Closet's clean. This mirror's cleaned as well. It's all straight. Everything's removed. All right, so we're all done in here. That's back in its corner of the Wi-Fi. All right, we have a spare AC filter in here, right there. That filter's in place. I think that was the request of the tenant. All right, all cleaned in here. Mopped, pillows fluffed, and done. That one's done. I took the tag that was on the corner of this chair and removed that. TV dusted, everything's dusted over there. Table's in place. Okay, welcome's there, keys are here. All right, sign is hung. It seems to be staying in place. We're dusted up in here. Everything's cleaned up in here. All right, so I think we're there, we're done. I'm leaving the fans on just to make sure they work and keep it cool. I'll close the windows. I cleaned the front door. All right, so there you go. That's what we got. We are done. We are ready for our first tenant.